Welcome back. We are at Caskey Logging, getting moving. It's an exciting day. So just a quick little update before we get going. Well, we're already going, as you see. So I'm gonna jump back to work and keep going. We're getting it all taken care of. Let's reschedule that or rehold that. We're out Caskey Logging, like I said before. I think we're just about ready to wrap things up. Let's take a little walk around on this one real quick. Woo.